Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. I'm Afdal as your mentor today. Today I will give you the material about suggestions. We are going to learn how to ask suggestion, how to give suggestion, and how to respond it. For the first I want to give you the definition of suggestion. Suggestion means to advise someone or give someone solution, advice, or idea in daily life. Jadi, suggestions itu adalah memberi saran kepada orang, yaitu bisa saran berupa ajakan, bisa saran untuk memberi solusi, dan bisa saran untuk memberi ide. Jadi suggestion itu adalah memberi saran kepada orang lain. Okay, I have the example about the suggestions in the text. Okay, as you can see, there are Ujang and Asep. Okay, we are read together. Okay, Ujang said, I have mind mapping homework for tomorrow. And Asep said, let's go to the library then, I will help you. Ujang said, thanks Asep. Jadi sekarang kalian udah tahu kan kalimat suggestion yang seperti di gambar ini. And next, there are three kinds of suggestions. The first is asking for suggestions. Second, giving suggestions, and the last is responding suggestions. Okay, for the first, asking for suggestions. Asking for suggestions, in Indonesia we say ungkapan meminta saran. There are two sentences as we usually use in daily life. For the example, shall and should. Jadi kalimat shall and should itu biasa digunakan dalam kalimat suggestions in English. We have the pattern when we to write the sentence about the suggestions. The pattern is shall or should plus subject plus verb 1 atau 5W1H plus shall or should plus subject plus verb 1. Okay. For the example, shall we go home now? And the last, what should I do? Jadi itu adalah kalimat pertanyaan untuk mengungkapkan meminta saran in English dengan menggunakan kalimat should and what. The second is giving suggestion. Giving suggestion means in Indonesia we say ungkapan untuk memberi saran. Jadi saat kita ingin memberi saran kepada orang lain, kita biasanya menggunakan 4 kalimat in English. For the first is let's plus verb 1. Next, you should or shall plus verb 1. And the third is why don't we plus verb 1. And the last is how about plus verb in. Khusus untuk how about, kita menggunakan verb 1 plus in. For the example, in the fourth expression, the first example is let's go to the movie tonight. And the second example is you should apologize to her. And the third example is why don't you do your homework? And the last example is how about driving to someone? Jadi kita telah mengetahui 4 kalimat yang biasa digunakan dalam memberi giving suggestion. Seperti yang kalian bisa lihat, ada let's, you should, or shall, why don't we, and how about. Itu adalah kalimat yang biasa digunakan dalam percakapan untuk meminta saran atau memberikan saran. Next, responding suggestion. Tadi kan kita udah nih ngomong soal meminta dan menanyakan saran. Jadi bagaimana sih cara merespon saran tersebut? Nah, jadi responding suggestion adalah ungkapan untuk merespon saran dari orang lain. There are two kind of responding. The first is accepting suggestion, and the second is declining suggestion. Yang pertama itu, kalau kalian setuju, kalian bisa menggunakan 4 kata pada gambar tersebut. Yang pertama, kalau kalian setuju, you can say yes, let's go, and okay, I will, sure, why not, and yes, it's good idea. If you declining the suggestion for the people, you can say no, thank you, or sorry, I think I will go out first, and no, let's just go to supermarket, and the last, sorry, I can't. Jadi kita bisa menerima dan menolak dengan cara meresponnya seperti yang ada pada kalimat yang saya tuliskan. Oke nih guys, kan tadi udah nih semuanya. Kita udah belajar bagaimana cara asking suggestion, bagaimana cara giving suggestion, dan bagaimana cara respond suggestion. Jadi kita akan menggabungkannya ke dalam conversation. Seperti yang kalian lihat, kita ada 2 orang, yaitu Siti dan Dewi. Siti say, "Hi Dewi, what are you doing?" Dewi say, "Nothing much, I'm worried." And Siti say, "Would you like to go to movies?" Dewi say, "I would love to, but not right now." Siti said, "How about in afternoon?" And Dewi said, "Great. What movie do you want to watch?" And Siti said, "Let's watch Fast and Furious." And Dewi said, "I would rather not. I'm into horror movies. How about The Ring?" And Siti said, "It sounds good. Okay, see you then." And Dewi said, "Okay, see you." Guys, kan udah nih, udah tahu nih semuanya. Udah, kalimat yang kita bilang ini adalah kalimat gabungan dari ketiga jenis dari suggestion, yaitu ada yang meminta saran, dan ada yang memberikan saran, dan ada yang merespon saran. Bagaimana? Apakah kalian sudah paham? Kalau kalian suka materi ini, kalian bisa memberikan like dan subscribe. Jangan lupa untuk menonton video-video saya selanjutnya ya guys. See you the next content. I'm Afdal. Bye bye.